So to put in the paper, I'm gonna say that it's like back at the start for where, like in the middle. It doesn't really matter though. So the words are at the very top, but they have to hold the paper out like this, turn it around, and put it into this out the back. So I'm gonna line it up with this kind of first smaller line here. You can see that? I'm gonna line it up there. It doesn't have to be precise, but so long as just it's flat, so kind of push it in so that it's tight against that. And then I'm gonna push it towards the door, like towards the hallway, until it comes up. Gonna keep twisting until it's on this line, pull this down until you can see this, and then push it over. Thanks guys.